Missy Tech channel.
Hi friends, now we are seeing Missy Tech channel. In the previous video I said that I will show how to repair my electrical bike. Now I will show friends. See friends, this is our bike. I have remodeled it. See, these are the wires. They have given the wires. These all wires are burnt friends. The company has given these wires. That's why I remodeled my three core wires friends. These are, see, black wires are there no friends. And this controller also burnt friends. Controller 48 volts DC controller. I have changed this controller friends in this place. I changed the controller. This is burnt controller friends. And wheel also friends. Wheel. This wheel is another bike's wheel friends. We altered it, we modified it, and we keep here. This bike's wheel is burnt friends. That also burnt. Overall batteries only live friends. These are the batteries. We only connected these batteries in series, and we kept this in the controllers. See friends, this is the controller and MCB and DC controller converter. All we have only keep friends. This is we buy in Hero Honda showroom friends. This bike, old bike friends. This is and we remodeled it friends. This is the way, and front horn also. See friends, cables. These are the three core cables friends. 3 wires are there in the cable. See friends, a display meter also we only made friends. Display meter, see friends, lights also we only made these lights, and that wheel is moving. See friends, like this. We only modified this bike friends. We only modified. In the last video I said that what is there in this bike, and we modified only at that video we take friends. This is the modification friends. See, you can also make this because it is the old controller wires friends, and any new controller is there for you. These wires only, for that only is there. And motor wire also is very easy friends wiring. This is very easy friends. See, these are the wires we kept, and horn wires also we kept to the switch friends. So switches also they had mainly all is you can say that it is a waste bike friends. We have remodeled it. See, like this you can also remodel it. I buy in the Hero Honda showroom friends in Bhimavaram. I will give the means 2 bikes are there friends, new electrical bikes are there. I will add the photos, 2 bikes, black and green. I will add the photos friends of that bikes. Please see, please don't skip this video. Please see, and please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to comment and like. Bye friends.